Hi, my name is Eric John Campbell, and welcome to my eBay course. Do you want to start a home-based business? Maybe you are tired of your job even though you make a lot of money. Or you might want to create an additional source of income. It does not matter what your reason may be. The truth is, starting a home-based business is not as hard as you might think. There is a great home-based business opportunity right now. That's because right now has never been a better time to open up your own online business. You may be skeptical, but it really is true. More advanced technology has led to significantly lower costs throughout the entire supply chain. Now you can order high quality and inexpensive products directly from Alibaba in China and sell them on eBay. This was an entrepreneur's dream only 5 years ago. This course is very clear and straightforward. If you have been searching for how to start a home-based business, you may have been overwhelmed with information. If you have begun to take some courses, you probably became lost and realized people were giving you conflicting instructions. This course was created to be clear and straightforward. I purposely left out a lot of information because it is pointless to teach you stuff that won't help you reach your goals. Giving you too much information is actually harmful because it makes it less likely for you to have the confidence to take action. What you will learn in this course includes what wholesaling is, how to find profitable products to sell, what dropshipping is and why you should avoid it, and other relevant topics. What you will not learn in this course is how to find suppliers that have gone out of business, outdated selling techniques that won't apply to you in 2015, and pointless anecdotes that don't help you create an eBay business. It's easy for you to get started. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to import products and sell them on eBay. If you are new to the subject, don't worry. This course is designed for beginners. Simply click on the Take This Course button in the top right-hand corner to instantly start learning how to make money on eBay.